Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj Vinod Kapoor. This is a testimonial for someone who I have finally found after my journey in astrology as a seeker since 2008. And I met a couple of astrologers, but no one unlike the person I'm going to introduce right now. I have made him my guru. He is someone who is definitely blessed with immense deep knowledge about the subject. That's the reason he calls himself an astro scientist. This is welcoming my Guruji, Navneet Chitkara ji. I am very grateful that I had a lifetime of an opportunity to meet him this time. Even though my journey after 2008, it took me so many years finally to get to know the right Guru. He is someone has been completely transparent as to how this whole thing works. He's someone who has made sure that astrology is reaching every nook and corner of the world. And his YouTube channel, which obviously I stumbled upon, and that's when I got to know of him, was a blessing in disguise. I think for the first time in my life, I could really understand astrology in a very simple sense, because the way he put it across, the way he put so many years of his experience behind it to understand it better, and seeing multiple cases which he works on himself. I'm extremely grateful that today I've had an opportunity to get a consultation from him. And I must tell you that none of the past astrologers even went there a 1% towards where he predicted and what he predicted and how he said what's the reason and what's the problem with my chart. And the way he speaks, obviously we all know we are mesmerized by his amazing voice. I think it's a 432 hertz meditational voice of his, which obviously entices all of us. But I think his vision is greater than that. He wants to build an army of astrologers in the world who are the right astrologers in the world, who can take and give guidance and take this, our Vedic culture, to the world in a more concrete and proper manner. That's what I really appreciate of him, and how his Rudra Vedic Academy, which is doing great service already by teaching so many people. I believe he's currently teaching astrology in 23 different countries. Isn't that amazing, guys? So I would definitely endorse him wholeheartedly. Guruji, you're one of the best astrologers, best human beings I've come across. And anybody who wants to learn astrology has to learn from here. I think there's no other way. You don't need to go anywhere. You have found the destination. He is right now in Ludhiana, based out of Ludhiana, and also I'm sure he works across Zoom now, like the whole world is, as he calls it. This is all the Rahu's blessing, Rahu Dev's blessing. And I'm very fortunate that today I'm being able to give a testimonial for him. And this is something which I've never done in my past, and I do it wholeheartedly. And Guruji, you are simply amazing. Please keep up the fantastic... It's a social service you're doing to the world. You are giving people the right direction. You are taking them to the right vision, or their dreams to be fulfilled. And also, you're not someone who will just say that, I love the way you're analyzing the chart. You're taking your own time. I remember when I consulted you, you said it'll take about 4 to 5 days, your office said. After 5 days, I got an appointment. Even that day, you sat with me for almost patiently, even though our consultation was only 40 minutes. You sat with me for 50 minutes, 55, 1 hour. You did not think about the time. And then you also said that, next following morning, you sent me all my remedies. Along with that, obviously, you're still thinking and working on my chart as to what best can I do. So I'm really looking forward to the chart as well, which is going to be coming to my email. And I know that's going to be a blessing. I'm going to frame it. And whenever, as soon as possible, due to this pandemic, whenever I get a chance, I will definitely come and seek your blessings and Charan Spars. And Guruji and the world, please do not look anywhere. I found my Guru in astrology after 2008. Imagine the journey. But as he rightly says, free will versus destiny. It takes its own time. It is the right time at the right place. You will come across him. But if you get my testimonial, it's an humble request. Do not. Just consult him once, and he will change your life around. It's not him. He's just a mere instrument of the supreme power, but he has been because there are very few people in this world who are honest, who can give you what they want, and he's amongst them. And I'm very, very grateful that today that we are here and being able to be doing this, and we should count our blessings. And I urge everybody to stay safe and lots of love. Signing off, Dheeraj Vinod Kapoor.